psychologist, does a lot with family practices, and we're here to talk about parenting. So tell me your perspective on parenting and what you're talking about today.
I'm trying to help people be more mindful with their parenting and try and stay centered and not do as much arguing and bribing and threatening and reacting. In Montgomery County anyway, we live in sort of a pressure pot where kids are expected to be excellent across all domains, and we act like we're afraid they're going to fall into some black hole of failure. And I think that there's kind of an energy of everybody chasing. You can only react and go so high before the whole system kind of implodes, and I'm really trying to help everybody bring their nervous systems down. Speaking in a Jewish context, I think we need to pay attention to our values and our systems and our rituals, because rituals really bind anxiety and they help us calm down and get grounded in our bodies. I think if we don't stay mindful of our values and how we work our family system, everything goes a little chaotic and out of control, and then the sort of pop culture is raising.
So give me a concrete example. I mean, when you're talking, I'm immediately thinking just it's something as simple as a Friday night dinner. But
Friday night dinner, having a day of rest, having time to reflect. I'm working with families where the couples don't even have a marriage. You know, they're married to their children. So their whole world revolves around the kids. And if mom and dad don't pay attention to have boundaries and cultivate a little space for themselves to stay bonded as a couple, they kind of lose themselves.